How to send VIP links in Astd Discord server when if raids, trials, challenges, W2 raid. I'm going to show you how you can easily send VIP links in the Astd Discord server when if raids, trials, challenges, W2 raid. First, in Roblox, go to your VIP server. Then click on the Configure button for your VIP server. Copy the VIP server link. If you haven't already, join the Astd Discord server. You can find the invite link on their official pages or through community posts. Then look for channels dedicated to raids, trials, challenges, or World 2 raids. These channels are usually named something like #raids, #trials, #challenges, or #World 2 raids. In the appropriate channel, type a message inviting others to join your raid, trial, or challenge. Then paste the VIP link in your message. For example, looking for players to join my VIP server for a World 2 raid. Make sure to follow any specific rules or guidelines the server has for posting VIP links. Some servers might have restrictions or require certain roles to post links.